guys, welcome back to our channel.
Whether you go for interview, a meeting or even travel, somewhere you need to communicate in English. So the real question is not that do you know English? The real question is that do you have confidence while speaking it?
Yeah.
And that exactly what today our content is about. क्योंकि ये कोई लैंग्वेज नहीं है, it is a communication skill. But the problem is not that कि people don't know English. The problem is people don't have courage to speak. Actually, in the very beginning, I was so underconfident. It was so tough for me to give my point of views even in my group. But by coming across to end of my college, I have seen big changes in myself. I have improved a lot. I have never imagined that I can speak this confident in front of camera. So it feels so great to be like this.
Actually, the thing is that we are very scared of making mistakes. We are scared of being judged, and just because of that, we stay silent when we have something important to say. And in that time, we do not speak up. And this is exactly that we need to change. English is not about showing off. It's about expressing yourself very clearly. So what I feel is that just speak up. Speak up yourself, make mistakes again and again, and then learn from those mistakes. See, what I know is that most people can understand English very well. They can read it, they can write it, and when it comes to speaking, they freeze. They start to feel very underconfident, they start to feel hesitate, they start to fumble in between. Not because they do not know English, but because they fear of making mistakes in front of people. They fear of being judged from people out there. पता है क्या होता है ना कि sometimes we get very big opportunities of showing ourselves in big events, but we avoid participating. Why? Because there is something in our head that if we will put on our point of views that we have to deliver would not be more clear or would not be more perfect. We have fear that we will not be able to speak more confidently. But if I will talk about myself, in the very starting, I have also got such opportunities and I tried to skip those opportunities. I basically avoided them. क्यों? क्योंकि I have had fear, the same fear that you all do have while speaking on stage, while speaking in front of many people. The same fear I have had. What people would think about me, how she is speaking. So that was something that holding me back. But what? After a while, I just started to forget about people around whom I am speaking up. I just started to focus upon myself. And that helped a lot to boost up my confidence.
And it's not a subject. It's like a medium used to communicate. लोगों का प्रॉब्लम क्या है, लोग सोचते हैं कि ठीक है आज थोड़ा सा टेंसेस पढ़ लेता हूँ या पढ़ लेती हूँ, आज थोड़ा सा सेंटेंस मेकिंग सीख लेते हैं. अगर आप सोच रहे हैं कि आप इंग्लिश ऐसे सीखेंगे तो मुश्किल है, फिर तो नहीं हो पाएगा. इंग्लिश इज समथिंग विच कैन ओनली बी लर्न बाय प्रैक्टिसिंग. और फिर उनका ये रहता है एक्सक्यूज कि हमारे पास तो कोई है ही नहीं, अब हम किसके साथ प्रैक्टिस करें. तो लेट मी टेल यू माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, डोंट वेट फॉर एनीवन. इफ यू आर वेटिंग फॉर समवन कि समवन विल कम टू यू लाइक वेरी प्रो इन इंग्लिश एंड देन ओनली यू विल लर्न, then let me tell you, I'm never going to learn English. Even let me tell you my thing, I have never waited for anyone. I started it myself, looking at myself in the mirror and start talking to myself like that. You can also practice too. But when people ask me ki how you are able to speak so influent, how you are able to deliver your things so confidently, then when I tell them that actually do these things, and they ask me literally, and when I tell them, they're like, very few people are able to implement that. Some again comes and asks, okay, we did this, we did that. And so it's the best platform जहाँ पर मैं बता सकती हूँ कि आप क्या क्या चीजें कर सकते हैं so that you can speak like us. At least शुरुआत अगर आप कर रहे हैं इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए अच्छे कॉन्फिडेंटली बहुत अच्छा सीखने के लिए, तो एटलीस्ट 2 pages ऑफ इंग्लिश जरूर पढ़िए. आपको हर दिन कोई ना कोई नया वर्ड सीखने को मिलेगा, कुछ ना कुछ एक रीडिंग हैबिट भी बन जाएगी एंड दैट विल बी अ वेरी गुड फॉर यू. यू नो, टिल टुडे आई आल्सो डू दिस एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई एम एबल टू डिलीवर यू ऑल सो फ्लुएंटली. टूटी फूटी बोलो, कैसी भी बोलो, पर बोलो. अगर आप ये चीज सोचोगे ना अपने दिमाग में कि यार क्या होगा, लोग हंसेंगे, या फिर यू विल बी द फियर होता है जज्ड कि व्हाट अबाउट पीपल इफ विल दे लाफ एट मी, इफ दे विल जज मी, बोलना तो आता नहीं है या बोलने तो आती नहीं है, इसको बोलती रहती है या बोलता रहता है। अगर आपके माइंड में ये चीज है ना, तो मैं आपको बता दूं, आप इंग्लिश कभी नहीं सीख पाएंगे। इट इज समथिंग दैट नीड्स अ लॉट ऑफ करेज टू स्पीक इन फ्रंट ऑफ पीपल। ओके, इवन वी स्टार्टेड लाइक दैट। हम भी कुछ सीख करके नहीं आए थे कि हम लोगों को आती थी पहले से, हमने भी ऐसे ही सीखी है। इवन मैं आपको अपनी पहली क्या बताऊं मैं स्टोरी, जब फर्स्ट टाइम आई होल्डेड द स्टेज फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम and it was like about in 9th and 10th, I had to deliver a kind of Lord's prayer, which is every day used to be done in the morning. Okay, and when I was so confident, like oh मैं तो बोल ही दूंगी, मैं तो कर ही दूंगी मस्त एकदम, क्योंकि Lord's prayer is something which you speaks daily at your school in the morning. Okay, and when I went on the stage, I was like blank. You know, can you imagine how the day was like? It was so rememberable day for me. I can never forget in my entire life. And from that day till now, I can see a drastic change in the way I am. तो सब ऐसे ही सीखते हैं, धीरे 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 ऐसे ही होता है। कोई it's a process that takes time. It needs a lot of efforts to come out of that comfort zone. कि आप 1000 लोगों के सामने बोल पाए. It needs a lot of courage. इट नीड्स गट्स। आप अगर आप ये चीजें प्रोसेस करते हो ना, जो हम आपको बता रहे हैं कि ठीक है 2 पेजेस, 2 भी नहीं पढ़ा जा रहा, नॉट अ बिग डील, आधा कर लीजिए, आप 1 कर लीजिए, आप धीरे धीरे करके करेंगे ना कि यार आज आधा पेज पढ़ लिया, आज 1 पढ़ लिया, कल को आपका मन करेगा आज 2 पढ़ लेता हूँ, कल का मन, फिर परसों उसके बाद मन करेगा 3 पेज पढ़ कर लेता हूँ। ऐसे ही प्रोग्रेस होती है। एक दिन में आप सोच रहे हो मैं तो मास्टरिंग कर लूंगा इंग्लिश में, या फिर पता नहीं क्या ही कर रहे हो ना, तो ऐसे नहीं होता है। हमने भी ऐसे ही सीखा था, आपको भी ऐसे ही सीखना पड़ेगा इफ यू रियली वांट टू बी लाइक अस, लाइक so fluent. Stand in front of mirror, start talking to yourself, discussing about your whole day, what happened to you and what was good, what was bad, what was your experiences like that, what are your next to-do list for your next day, and start watching English podcast with subtitles. Start watching, taking the content of English. Nobody is perfect, let me tell you. Even we are not perfect, we also make mistakes, but we keep learning from that.
That will help you a lot in pronunciation and in more vocabularies.
Yes, अगर आप सोच रहे हो कि एक दिन में सब कुछ आ जाएगा, vocabulary भी सीख जाओगे और sentence making भी, तो ऐसा नहीं है। It's a process that takes time and it's okay. Nobody is perfect, like nobody is like a pro, even we are not. It's just that we are practicing it from many years. We are doing it from many years. That's why we are able to deliver it to you. Okay.
जैसे हम कंटेंट क्रिएट करते हैं मोस्टली इन इंग्लिश, तो वी ऑफन गेट रिव्यूज कि आपका कंटेंट ज्यादातर इंग्लिश में ही क्यों होता है। सो आई जस्ट वांट टू क्लैरिफाई वन थिंग कि हमारा मोटिव ये नहीं है कि लोगों को समझना है। वी जस्ट वांट कि हम ग्रो करें, साथ में द पीपल हु आर वाचिंग अस आल्सो ग्रो।
एग्जैक्टली व्हाट शी सेड। एक बहुत ही सिंपल सी बात है कि आप जो चीजें देखते हैं, जो सुनते हैं, वही सीखते हैं। तो अगर आपको इंग्लिश सीखनी है ना, तो स्टार्ट कंज्यूमिंग इंग्लिश कंटेंट एज मच एज यू कैन. Start getting into it as much as you can. And let me tell you, even if you do it for 10 days or 5 days, you will see the difference in you.
Okay. If you will start watching more English contents on YouTube or any social media platform, you will see a change in yourself in the way कि you will find कि some vocabularies would set in your mind कि you will often think कि where did I take it from? So yeah, what I'm trying to tell you.
ऐसा कोई वो मत रखिए एक दिन में कि मुझे तो स्टैंडर्ड इंग्लिश सीखनी है, बिल्कुल स्टैंडर्ड. स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द बेसिक, स्टार्ट डूइंग फ्रॉम इनिशियल स्टेजेस. Just start it. Okay.
If you really want to grow, if you really want to have such confidence in yourself, then let me tell you one thing. You have to forget about the people, what they think about you, whether they judge you. Actually, you don't lack English. You lack practice.
Just keep growing in that.
Do not stop because voice matters.
Just always remember one thing, that every confident speaker was once a beginner who did not quit. So guys, just keep growing.
Stay updated with our content.
And keep showering love to our contents.
I hope आपको वीडियो पसंद आई होगी. अगर आप यहाँ तक आए हैं तो पसंद आई ही होगी. और सब्सक्राइब करे बिना मत जाना। बाय बाय।